In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.